little bit of an idea how it emerged and why Chandigarh, as a confluence of the entire North India, is hosting this particular event. A couple of months back, we hold every year in this particular city called Parvasi Divas, Punjabi Parvasi Divas, like we have got a Bharatiya Parvasi Divas. Similar way, we host Punjabi Parvasi Divas in this particular city, in this hotel, for the last 10 years. And we combined both the programs together. Last year we had Canada as the theme country, and we had a wonderful confluence of people coming from Canada as well as North India, because a lot of Punjabis have gone abroad and they have settled in Canada and other countries. So today, the theme country we have taken a Thailand, because Professor Narula would be taking over today onward for 1 year as a president of the NRI's Punjabi Parvasi forum, what we have got. Now, we held a function over here with the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, and Chandigarh Tourism a couple of months back over here when the Union Minister had come. Over there, the concept of cinematic tourism was discussed. How cinema and tourism are clubbed together. They are inseparable. And it was very interesting over there that most of the films which have been made by Yash Chopra, Karan Johar, and for that matter, some other producers and directors, tourism have been taken as a theme, and the cities have been chosen, places have been chosen, and coincidentally or incidentally or maybe knowingly, consciously, the tourism was clubbed with cinema, and the idea emerged of cinematic tourism. And that time also KK Sharma ji, our advisor with the minister, when we hosted, this particular region, as a statistics, have hosted 28 Bollywood films in last 3 years. 28 films have been shot, whether Hindi or Punjabi or regional, or including some ads also which have been made in this particular area. So me and Tiwari Sahab, the Secretary Tourism, we sat together with the entire team and we discussed how do we work it out, because most of the celebrities, those are coming over here, are leaving some kind of an impact on the public, society, region, otherwise. And this city, as it is a neat, clean, green, serene, whatever you want to talk about, beautiful city, already is having a fresh breathing air for everybody. So those celebrities, those were coming here, or those are coming here, they feel like going to gym, spas, health clubs, and related to that, so that they can remain energetic and fit whenever they are working odd hours and long hours. And city also got a lot of imprints and impressions from that. And the statistics shows that majority of the people over here are health conscious and they want to remain fit and healthy all the times. Now, keeping that particular profile in mind, the Nima North India Management Association, Urasa, and all of us in the executive, with the tourism department over here, we emerged with the idea that in month of October this year, India is hosting the global conference. Earlier the venue was Jaipur, and now it has been shifted to Gurgaon. Okay. Why not North India should do the curtain raiser of that particular global conference? And with that as a vision, all of us, we are here this morning from different cities and different countries. And of course, Mary Andron also had been great support to me and my mentor Goswami sir, and we have been clubbing together this entire idea. A few days back, I gave a motivational talk through the Asian Motivational Forum at the Kurukshetra University. And the Honorable Vice Chancellor with us this morning over here, when we had 3,000 youth over there and the energy was flowing, we discussed the idea, what exactly can be done, and role of everybody is changing today. Life is stress, people are carrying stress, people are moving with the stress, people are sleeping with the stress. So could there be a few stress-free environments and moments? With that as a vision to the global conference, we are hosting this morning this particular program over here. Okay, these are some of the glimpses what we have got. A lot of celebrities, those have been coming and they have been doing. Now this subject is of the experts, and fortunately, I would like to share with Advisor Sir and with everybody that India today has got 3 different organizations of health, spa, wellness related, operating from 3 different places. when we met them and when we discussed with them, some ideas emerged. How should we develop infrastructure in northern India related to health, wellness, spas, and of course, medical tourism? Because a lot of NRIs, those are coming from abroad, they want to get treatment in the super specialty hospitals in India because it takes less time and it is more economical also. Keeping all the factors in mind, medical tourism is growing tremendous in this country as on date. Keeping that particular profile in mind, the first idea which comes to our mind is how to develop infrastructure in northern India. Number two, the human resources development. Most of the corporate houses, those are running spas, hotels, those are running spas, or organizations, those are running spas. They are looking forward to entry-level people who should do 3 months or 6 months training somewhere and then they start working. But when will they climb the ladder? When will they move up in the ladder? So we require different tier systems, and you will be happy to know North India is the first region which has got a bachelor's degree in health, spa and resorts management starting from the academic year 2012. How basically to bring the entire, the strength and the energies together so that we can have meaningful results. Now, what would be the future trends in spa, health, wellness and medical tourism industry? That's another area which we would request our experts to share with us. And the last is business networking among potential investors. When you have a lunch together or when you get a little time in between, let us put our energies and synergies and cerebrums together so that all of us, I would say, very interesting what I learned from Vice Chancellor of Kurukshetra the other day. And he was telling, लोग ऐसे ही फाइट मारते हैं and people just say कि उसका इंस्टीट्यूट खुल गया तो क्या होगा, वो एसोसिएशन आ गई तो क्या होगा, वो लोग आगे आ गए तो क्या. The kitty is so big. The kitty is so big in India that you can't imagine. With Soti Sahab also in the Canadian consulate, every alternate month we have the people coming from abroad and asking us, give us the skilled manpower which can work overseas world over. So ladies and gentlemen, the kitty is so big, hardly there is any competition. Let us put our energies and synergies together to take the whole vision ahead. These are the 5-6 areas what we thought from the Nima we should share with all of you.